I'm great.
Okay, good, good. So you know how to install the Java, right? Everyone is in, right, how to install the Java.
I install the Java, so I have a question. No, I have a
Yeah, go ahead.
problem. When I run the project, it's showing that configure run.
Can you put mute? Someone is talking. Yeah, go ahead.
When I execute the project, at the time it's showing that
Can you
configure run.
stop your video? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are you running any video in your background?
I have not video. Can I share the screen?
Yeah, you can share the screen because while you're speaking, right, I'm getting some other person voice. Okay. Yeah, you can share your screen. Yeah, you can. You can. Yeah.
Yes. And this is my project.
Okay. Open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. What is the problem you're saying? Yeah.
When I run,
Mm-hmm. Run as Java application.
run as configure liquid. This is
Why it is getting? Do one thing. Do one thing. Can you create a new project? Can you create a new project? New project, Java project. Or okay, create that. Write demo 2. Before that, do one thing. What is your name? Open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Uh, yeah, type. Yeah, CMD. Open the command prompt. Hello. I think he left. Okay. I think he
Yes,
is
sir.
having some technical issues. Okay, that's fine. I'm taking back. Okay, one minute. Okay, guys. What about others, guys? Other guys, all everyone is installed the Java, right? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, good, good. What about others, guys? Everyone is done.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Okay, good. Now Eclipse is also done, right? From your end, do you install the Eclipse, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Okay, good. Who want to share your screen? Anybody want to share the
Yes, sir.
screen?
Sir,
You want?
I am.
Okay, you want to share the screen. Okay, what's your name? Okay, I'm present.
Project.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Raja. Can you share your screen? I think he came back. Okay, we'll see. Okay, one second. Okay, can you share your screen? Fast. Okay, this is very, very important. First,
guys, disconnected.
yeah, I don't know what happened. If you're sharing the screen, you disconnect the call, I think so.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you can share the screen. Okay. Are you sharing the screen? Okay. Open the
Yes.
Eclipse.
Yes.
Open the Eclipse. Okay, guys. Today's the session is about how to launch Chrome browser. Okay, not only Chrome browser, how to launch the Chrome browser. Okay, so we need to have some prerequest will be there. What are the prerequests? We know, right? How to we required what is the prerequests? We need to install the Java. We need to install the Eclipse, and we need to install the download the WebDriver. Let's see. First, open the Eclipse. I will tell you. Okay. Okay, it's loading, right? Java install, right? And meanwhile, can you open the site selenium.dev? Open the Google. Okay. Okay. Open the selenium dot dev. Sorry. Yeah, click enter. The main website. We always keep when you are doing any automations, right? You always keep this site separate. Okay. Okay. Open the Eclipse.
Yes, sir.
Okay. File.
New
Java
Java
project. Yeah, you can take project or Java project. Better you can take project. Here you can select the Java. Select the Java. Click the arrow mark. Click the arrow mark. Before Java, there is arrow mark, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Java project.
Yes, sir.
Java project. Next.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Give the project name. What is the project name? You can give Selenium. Launching the
Yes.
Chrome, or you can give launching the Chrome, or browsers. Anything you can give. Launching the browsers. Launching the browsers. Don't give the space, okay? Launch the browsers.
Yes.
Good. Next, finish. Guys, in testing, we require a lot of patience. Okay, don't expect immediately all the things. So we require some patience. Slowly, we can get it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So SRC. Okay. Finish. Yeah. So your project is ready. How to create the project? Do not create. Not required. Do not create. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Do not create. Click that
Yes.
button. Unable to see your screen, only create. Good.
Yes, sir.
Can you? Why this one? Can you open the this one? Can you open the file? Show your project. Edit. Hold on. In the file, where is your this one? Hold on. Edit. Click the edit button. Okay. Source. Go to the source. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Source.
Go to the in the source. Where your project? Okay. Can you go to the Windows tab? Yeah. Show view. Click the show view. Click that. What is the package explorer? Down below. Click that one. Good. Okay, come down. Click here. Click the right arrow here. Why you are getting a project kind of thing? Like it should not like this. Okay, can you create one more time? File, new project. Select the project. Yeah, project. I think you create the click that one. Okay, Java project. Next. Okay, can you write okay, Selenium demo or launching the browser? You write again. You already written, right? Launch the browser. Just write launching the Chrome browser or anything. Next. Chrome browser. Okay, that's good. Next.
Next.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes, sir.
finish.
Create or don't create.
Uh, do not create. Okay. I see somewhere in your lagging is there. Do not create. Okay. Open that this one. Why you are getting module wise? I'm not understand why you are getting module one. Okay, open this one. Launching the Chrome browser. Yeah, open this one. Arrow mark. Click the arrow mark. Okay. So SRC. Go to the SRC. Right click. Okay, right click. New package. You need to write the package. Yeah, package name you can give anything. Okay. Defaultly you can put it that also, not a problem. Okay, you can change as a package Chrome. Remove that one down below. Package Chrome. Name full. Okay, Chrome. Okay, finish. Okay, under the package, what you need to do? You need to create what? Class. Right click. New class. Chrome browser. Launching Chrome or Chrome browser. Chrome browser. So you need to select what? Public static void. Hold on. You need to select what? Public static void main. Without main, I told you right yesterday. Without main, we cannot run any program. Okay, select public void static void main. Yeah, select that one. Finish. Yeah. Can you open the class? Chrome dot. Yes, it should become like this. Package. See, package name is what? Package Chrome. So in sometimes in the real time we need to concentrate on package name and class name. Suddenly your lead will say, hey, can you modify the package name? Hey, can you change the class name? So don't ask me, don't ask anybody where is the class name, where is the package name. Try to understand. Okay, don't hurry. Okay, we once you get into understand, right, the next program you only can do only very easy, very easy. Okay, how to create the project? Go to the file, create a project, and after that give the project name. And next what you are doing, and after creating the project you will able to see JRE system libraries and SRC. Okay, SRC. Under SRC, right click on under SRC, create a package. Okay, under the package you need to create what? Class. Okay, only three steps. Create a project, select the respective project, Java project, and after that you will see SRC. Under the SRC you need to create a package name. You can give any package name. Okay, generally the format is form dot, they will give you like that, but initially you are learning stage, right? So you can write directly package like a Chrome under the pack. Now you need to write the Selenium. Now if you write any Selenium here, it won't come, right? Can you write after the package, can you write import? Can you write? Yeah, after the package, click enter. Yeah, click enter. Write import. Import, IMPORT. Import, space, give the space org dot openqa, openqa, openqa. See, you are not getting any Selenium things, right? No, it won't come because I'm not add the jar files. Most of the people, what they do the mistake, they simply create the project and they're trying to add all the copy, the paste, the code here, but they won't come because I'm not added anything related to Selenium thing into the my project. So how I need to do that one? Question mark. How I get all the things? Okay, can you remove that line? Yeah, now what you need to do, the next step is what? Go to the Selenium dev site. Okay, go to the Google, open the Google and open that you already opened, right? Yeah, now downloads. Go to the downloads. In the downloads, in the top, hold on, go to the top, go to the top, come little bit down. One second, the screen is closing. Yeah, come down. down, little bit. Yeah, come down. Hold. Where? No, no. I think you come almost down. Yeah, come down. Go to the top. Go to the top. Okay. Go. Can you click the downloads? You are in the main site. I asked you to download, right? Yeah. Click the download. Yeah. So whenever you want to download anything, you need to come on this tab, guys. Okay, download. See, the latest stable version is what? 3.141459. Okay, but you want to go with the previous releases. Can you click the previous releases? Can you click the previous releases? There is a top downloads. There is a down link right here. Here. Come down, little bit. Come down. Yeah, you can see the heading, right? Downloads heading.
Yes, sir.
No,
Download.
top previous releases. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see previous releases. Yeah, good. Click that. Okay. So here, can you click here again? Previous releases, complete list can be seen here. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. This is the first time, right? Sharing the screen and all the things. Don't worry. Okay. Come down. In the real time also, you need to share the screen. You need to talk with your team. Better we can take 3.8. Okay. You can take 3.14 also. Better you can take standard versions. Okay. Can you click 3.8? Yeah, you need to download this one. Okay, here see Selenium IDE, Selenium.NET, HTML, Java. We require Java. Okay, can you click Selenium Java 3.8.0 zip? Can you click that one? Yeah, click that one. Yeah. Whenever you click the zip, right, zip will come in the zip format. You need to extract it. Most of the people, what they will do mistake, they won't extract. They simply copy that one. So see, these all are the issues. While normally what the people will do. Okay. Once you download it, open the folder. And folder, what you need to say, folder also you need to place in very in the systematically. Okay, go to the download, copy that one, copy that one. Okay, and which drive you want to put? There is C, E and F drive, right? Which drive you are using currently for the Selenium? Which drive you are using? Keep it in F drive. Is it a new laptop?
Yes.
Okay, right click, new folder, keep it as a folder, new folder. Right, Selenium web drivers. Whenever you want the drivers, you can keep here. Okay, don't copy somewhere. Okay, whenever you want, you come here and make it as a folder structure is very important. Okay, come click there. Create one more folder. Inside Selenium WebDriver you can open. Inside one more folder. Selenium WebDriver. Right, Selenium WebDriver. What is the version? You always mention at the end version. Suddenly your lead says that, hey, can you download 3.8? You will not be confused, right? So 3.8. Can you put 3.8? Up 3.8 or 38? Okay. Okay. Click there. Open that folder. Open this folder. Paste there. Right click and paste. Now this zip folder. Now I need to extract this one. Otherwise I cannot add. Okay. Right click there. Extract here. What you need to write? Extract here. You don't know, right? Then extract all. Extract all. Extract in the same location. You will get jar files. See, this jar files is very important. This jar files you need to add in where? In your Java project. Then only you can write any script. This is very key point. Very basics. ABCs. If you not add these jar files into your project, you cannot work. Okay, you cannot work. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. So these jar files, you need to add your project. Interview question, freshers who are going to the fresher level, they will ask you where we can add your web drivers into your project. The question directly they will ask you where you can add your jar files to your project. Okay, that is the question. Okay, now open your Eclipse. Can you open your Eclipse? Very easy, guys. Okay, then can you remove that line import.org.openqi? It's not required. Now, once we add the jar files, we can get it. Go to SRC, go to SRC, right click, build path. What you need to check? Build path. What is the build path? Yeah, configuration build path. See, navigation, check the navigation. Okay, SRC, right click, build path, and next is what? Configuration, configure build path. Okay, click that. Okay, here source projects libraries. I required libraries. Can you click the libraries? Yeah, right side, right side, right side. You're inside source projects libraries. No, inside the box. Yeah, source. No, inside the box. Come to inside the box. Java build path, right? Here, your your right side. Yeah, libraries. Yeah, click that. So your Java is 15, right? So you need to select the class path. Can you select select the class path? See, most of the people is confused here. If your Java 8 is installed, it is automatically enabled. If your Java 15 or your install more than high version Java, you will get a class path. Once you need to class path, then only it will be enabled. Enabled means you can able to access. Okay. Now you can click add external jars. Can you click add external jars? Yes, click that one. In add external jars, go to the F drive. F drive. Where is your Selenium web drivers? Open that one. Selenium web drivers. Open that one. Click this one. Okay, click that one. Java Selenium Java 3.80. Click that folder. Open folder. Yeah. Select these two files. Client combined. Yeah, second one. Add. Again, one more time. Again, select the class. Library files also you need to add. Hold on. Select the class path. Again, add external jars. Like in the top folder, you have the top folder, right? Open that one. Yeah, click that one. Double click. No, double click. Select all. Control A. Select one and press Control A. Yeah, open. Open. Next, apply and close. See, I'm adding jar files to my project. Okay, then now I can do all the things. Like I can do all the, see, reference libraries. You are able to see, right? Reference libraries. Can you click that one? Arrow mark before arrow mark. So all reference libraries will be added here. Okay, now you can write any program related to the automation. Right? Now how to launch the Chrome driver, right? One more thing will be required. Okay, now can you write import in the after the package, right? Import space org dot openqa. See, hold on. See, OpenQA Selenium, OpenQA Selenium.chrome, OpenQA Selenium.edge, Firefox. See how you are getting all the things. Can anyone tell me how we are getting all the things?
Through
Because I
jar.
added the jar files.
Jar file.
Yes, without the jar files, we cannot handle all these things. Okay, we need reference files. Simple, guys. You need to understand the code first. Okay, it's very easy. After this class, you can only do all the things. Okay, but try to understand how to create a project. In the project, what jar files is required. That is very, very important. Okay, jar files is required for 3.80. So my requirement, they will give you a requirement in the real time. We are doing practice, right? We are taking this and that, but in real time is not like that. They give the pre-request site everything. They will give you documentation. Our job is dead easy. but you need to follow the document. If you not follow the document, you will not get the good results. Understanding the requirements, what is the testing, you know, right? You need to follow the requirement document. They will provide how to install, how to each and everything they will provide as a documentation. You just follow the documentation. Okay, so now we are added, right? Okay, now you can take that org.openqa selenium dot, yeah, dot control space. You can put control space, automatically it will come. Selenium, selenium, can you select the selenium? Second one, openqa dot selenium, yeah, selenium, select that one, click enter. Remove the star, remove the star. Can you write WebDriver? Remove the star and write the WebDriver. Okay, write two letters only, WEB, and write control space. Okay, write W WebDriver, right? WebDriver. No, no, write two letters. At least you need to write two. WebDriver. Yeah, first one. First one you can select. So no need to write all the things. Okay, just write two letters. Automatically the intelligence will show that one. You can add that one. Okay. Now come see. This is the yellow one. Yellow line means what? Warning. Okay. Is it clear, right? Now I create the project. I add the jar files. Now one more thing is required. You need to download the Chrome driver. I told you, right? WebDriver is specific drivers. Every driver, every browser has their own specific drivers. Go to the selenium.dev. Dev. Go to the main site. Go back. Go back. Yeah, go back. Good. Go back. Downloads. Again, downloads. Come down. Come down. Now your requirement, your manager is says that I want launch the Chrome browser. Okay, come down, down. Browsers. Okay, hold on. Browsers. Okay, click that one. Now which browser you want, guys? Chrome. In the requirement is written as Chrome. Yeah, click the documentation. Come down. Here the browser version is what? Hold on. Latest stable version is what? 89. Okay. Beta version. Don't take the beta version. 89 you can take. Yeah, click that one. Again, it's a jar file. Okay. See here, there is no 64-bit. So Linux, if you are working with Linux, you need to download this one, Chrome driver Linux. Or if you are working with a Mac, if you are using Mac system, you can use the Mac one. Okay. If you are using Windows, now currently we are using Windows, right? Can you download Chrome driver win32.zip? Yeah. Can you download that one? Yeah.
Sir, is this for Windows?
Yes.
Chrome
Windows.
driver?
Yes. Windows.
Yes.
Windows one. Yeah. Click that. Because we need to require Chrome driver. Downloads. Okay, copy that one. Go to the F drive. Hold on. Go to the F drive. Create one more folder. Browsers drivers. Go to the F driver. Create one more folder. Come on from this folder. F driver. Create one more folder. Create one more folder. New folder. Browsers drivers. Folder is very important, guys. You are downloading somewhere and you are searching, means the time is wasted. So in the real time, make sure that folder structure is also is very important. Browser drivers folder. Okay, don't browser driver drivers, better you can put like that. Okay, not required folder. Okay, open that one. Create one more folder. Yeah, write Chrome driver. What is the version? Version is very important. What version it is? 89. Write 89. So someone is asked you, right? Immediately you can come here and you can give it that one. Okay, open this folder. Right click and paste. Okay, extract here. Right click, extract all. That's it. Now, yeah, good. Close this one. Close all the things. Now come to the code. Eclipse. Very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Okay, setup we need to properly. If you set the properly setup, then it's very, very easy. Okay, right. Import
Yes.
org openqa dot org dot. Remember, in interview they will ask you write a program, means you need to remember all the things. That's the reason I'm asking to write.
Selenium.
OpenQA Selenium dot, remove the star, Chrome, write ch, alt enter, control space, sorry, control space, use control space. Yeah, Chrome, first one, yeah, select that one, dot, again star, remove the star, Chrome driver. Write 2 lines, ch, no, Chrome driver, not driver, Chrome dot Chrome driver.
Chrome. Driver.
Yeah, control space. Yeah, good. Click that one, first one. Good. See, these two are required. Import org. These two reference files is required. Otherwise, I cannot launch the browser. Try to understand. These two are very, very important. Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot webdriver is required. Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot chrome driver is required. I told you yesterday, for Selenium WebDriver, they have their own specific drivers, Chrome driver, Gcode driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Edge driver. Okay. Now come down. Now we need to write the program. Come to the public static void main, right? Come to inside that. Okay. Now what I need to do? Set the Chrome path. You need to set the path. That is very, very important. So comment, if you write the comment, you need to write double slash. Okay. And click enter, one more enter. Yeah, click enter, remove this line. If a comment, if you write any comment, double slash you need to put. Okay. Okay, can you write sys, click enter, right, can you write system, right, can you write system, s should be capital, ss should be capital, system, control space, 2 lines, control space, always you like that, automatically it will come, control space, system. Yeah, first one you can select system. I'm telling my system. Okay, I'm telling to my system dot set property. I'm telling to my system set property, set property, right? Set control space, come down, there is a set property, right? Key and value, come down, set property as a string, key and value, down below. Click enter.
This one.
Yeah, yes, that one. You need to provide key and value, then only your system will understand what I need to do. Means you need to talk your system, hey, system dot set property, you need to provide the key. So Selenium, they will provide specific keys for specific drivers. Okay, for each browser they provide a key, so you need to provide the key. Can you write double quotes, within the double quotes, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, can you write like this? I'm sending in the chat box, otherwise you can write. Okay, I think the chat box is disabled. We have option. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, I'm sending to you. See, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, in chat box you can see. Okay, remember, every browser they provide the keys. Okay, you need to use particular key, then only the system will understand, hey, you are using Chrome driver, right? The Chrome key is required for, if you provide the key and if you provide the value, whenever the system is invoked, this script is invoked, it will check the key. Hey, key is what? Chrome. You're providing the value, means setup file where it is, then you automatically it will be invoked. Okay, now what is the value? Value means what? You need to provide the path. You just downloaded, right? Chrome drive. Can you open that Chrome drive? Go to your F drive. Go to your F drive, FF. Go to the Chrome drive, browser drive. You just added, right, folder. Open that folder, browser drivers. Open that Chrome driver, F drive. What is your browser name? Browser drivers. Here, the third folder. Yeah. Now open this one, 89. Open that Windows 32. Yeah. See, you need to provide this setup, this value you need to provide. Then only your system will understand, hey, this is the key and this is the value. Means it will execute from here. Okay. So you need to give the path. How you will give the path? Can you select that one? And along with press Shift key. No. Shift key. Press Shift key and right click. Do both at a time. Okay. Right click. Now you will see the copy as a path. No. Do one thing. Again, select that one, press Shift key and right click. Shift key in your laptop, Shift key will be there, right? Press that one and right click. There is a technique. Right click. Now see, copy as a path. See, previously you not see, right? You need to see copy as a path. Yeah, copy. Yeah. Open the notepad. Open the notepad. If you run the first program, right, the rest of the programs you can write easily. With 5 minutes, you can do that. But try to understand the code. Okay, do not concentrate on the script. You can execute later also, but try to understand the concept. What is the key and what is the value? You need to understand the things. Okay, notepad. Paste there. So this path you need to provide in where? The value. Key means what? WebDriver.chrome.driver. What is the value? This is the value. So it will check the key and it will check the value. If both are the same, then your system will be invoked. Your browser will be invoked. Okay, copy this one. Copy that.
Hi, sir. I just have one.
Yeah, go ahead.
How to copy this path? You just said something with the shift, right?
If you select that one, right, press the Shift key and right click. Press the Shift key in your laptop, right?
Okay,
and immediately you can do the right click. Then you will able to see copy as a path. Are you able to see now? Sai, or what? What is your name? Okay, are you able to see, right? Okay,
Yes,
that's
yes.
fine. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, close this one and open your Eclipse. Paste in the double quotes. There is a null value, right? Remove that one and put the double quotes. You always need to write in the double quotes. Put a double quotes. Inside you need to paste it. Okay, remove the extra one. See, you got extra one, right? Before the F, remove that extra one. / remove that one. Before F, not after, before. Yeah. Remove that one. No, double quote will be there. Okay, remove that one. Remove that one more / double quote. Remove the double quote. Come to the last. Good. Last also you remove the double quote and slash. There is extra one, right? Make sure that now see, always remember the selenium is end of the semicolon. The statement will be end with the semicolon. Put the semicolon. Yes, good. This point is very, very important, guys. If you know this point, you can launch any browser. What you need to write? System.setProperty. You need to provide the key and you need to provide the value. What is the key? Key is nothing but we need to write a respect to key. This is what Chrome driver, right? The Chrome driver, there is a key provided. WebDriver.chrome.driver. What is the value? What is the value means you need to give the path where your exe path. You need to give that exe path. So where you will get this one? You need to go to the website and you need to download which one is the respect to Chrome driver version. You need to download and you need to provide the key and value. Okay, next easy step, guys. Again, 2 steps will be there, only 2 steps. Now what is that? What I need to create an object. I need to create for object for the WebDriver. Create a driver object to reference the WebDriver interface. I need to call the WebDriver, right? So you can write a WebDriver. Can you write WebDriver? Web W should be capital. Okay, WebDriver. Okay, if you write wrong also it will tell. Okay, good. Always use control space. Okay, now create object. Can you give the space? After give the space, write driver equals to, you can write any name. Okay, this is the object name. Okay, equals to new Chrome driver. Okay, I'm creating object. Okay, new control space. Hold on, control space. Always use control space. Chrome driver. Good. C capital, D capital. So if this confused, you always use control space. Yeah, select the first one. Semicolon. Now, yeah, now the driver, see, I create an object, driver equals to new Chrome driver. Now the new Chrome driver is there in the driver, right? Now you can call anything from the with the object name. Okay, can click enter. Can you click enter? Driver dot, now I need to open the URL. Okay, so there is a command. Okay, there is a command, driver dot object dot. Okay, object is nothing but a driver. Okay, driver dot, whenever you want to open any URL, there is a command. Yeah, right, driver dot get. There is a get command. Get, yeah, right, get first one. First one. In that, which URL you want to open? Which URL you want to open? Which URL you want to open? Right, selenium.dev. Okay, write the URL here. Open the Google. First check that URL name is be correct or not. Open the Google. Tab. Open the new tab. Right, selenium.dev. Selenium.dev. You can write in the top. Okay. Click enter. This, copy that URL address bar. Copy the address. Click there. Click there. Copy now. Copy that one. That is what secured site. HTTPS is the secure site. Okay, copy that one and go to the Eclipse. Double quotes. See guys how it is easy. Very easy. If you understand one program, the rest of the programs you can easily do that. Control S, save. If you are not saved, see in the Chrome dot in the top there is a star mark, right? If it is star mark means the code is not saved. Please remember, who are going with experienced person, yeah, now it is saved. So make sure that it should be saved. Okay, now go to your class, SRC package. Hold on. SRC.
Sir, what is Starmer? So what is Starmer?
You already done, right? You already saved, right? The star mark is removed. Okay, I will show you next. If you write something, if you are not saved, then it will comes in the star mark here. The Chrome driver
After save, sir, after save, star mark will be gone.
If you save, right, if you are not saved, in the top it will show the star mark. Okay, write something here. Write something ABC or something, whatever it may be. See, you are able to see star, right? Yes, here in the top, not that one. That is a red mark. Here top, Chrome browser.java, right? Top. You are not able to see the Chrome browser tab name, not that one. Tab name. Here. Your right side. Top.
Yes.
Module info.java is there, right? Next tab is what? Chrome browser.java.
Chrome browser.
Here, right side. Come to your right side. Program is right. You are written right the program. In the top, Chrome browser.java is there, right?
Chrome browser से कहाँ पे?
Where you write import.org open QA. come to the,
Open.
while you write the program, while you write the program,
There is a star mark right in the top.
top
Yes,
and
sir.
top,
Yes, sir.
top, right?
ये वाला.
Yes, yes, no,
No, that's
No.
not that one, man.
calm down. Yes, right. Take right. You're right.
Yes, sir.
You're
तो
right.
यहाँ
Yes,
पे
yes.
Yeah,
यहाँ पे.
that is what. Yes, that
Yes,
is the
yes.
star. Okay, you
अच्छा.
remove it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, got
thank
it.
you guys. Okay, no problem,
Okay.
no problem. Okay, first time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, save it.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Save it. If you save, automatically the star will remove the stay. See,
Okay.
star
Yes,
is.
sir. Got it.
Make sure
Thank
that.
you.
Okay, good. You need to say thanks to the other guy. I don't know his name. He's supporting you. Okay, that's cool. Okay, open the package dot chrome, right? Open your class. Open your class here, left side.
Class.
SRC under package chrome, right? Open that arrow mark before arrow mark is there, right? Okay, why it is again show the star mark? Do you save? Can you save one more time? Good. Right click, run as Java application. Come down. Run as Java application. Let's see your luck. What happened? You have Chrome, right? Okay. Chrome driver is start successfully. Congrats. So you can launch your browser automatically. Any site you can launch. Good. How much code is required? Only 3 lines. People who are copy and paste, they will not get the things. Try to understand how I need to write the code. Simple. Can you close this one? You need to write 2 steps. Reference one. Okay. Import org. Don't buy hard. If you buy hard, in interview you cannot write. In interview they will ask you write a code. So please understand the code. It's not who will do the first. It is not a challenging thing. It's not a competition. I did first means it's no one will give you gold medal. Okay, first try to understand the code. Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot webdriver. That is my reference library. I'm calling here. Import org dot selenium dot chrome driver, because I'm using the chrome driver, right? I required some reference libraries. Based on the reference only I can write here code. Simply I write 2 steps, 3 steps. System dot set property. Interview they will ask you what is the key for chrome driver. So you need to write what key for chrome driver is what webdriver dot chrome dot driver, and you need to provide your path value is nothing but where you downloaded, right? That value you need to pass here. Similarly you need to write driver dot and you need to create a object driver equals to new chrome driver and driver dot get. So you can call any URL. Okay, so tomorrow what we can do, we can launch, you can try guys, now you can try to launch Firefox, you can launch IE Internet Explorer, you can launch Edge Chrome, but do not search the code in the Google. If you search the code in the Google, you will lose your confidence. You need to have some confidence, right? Try like the same thing. Try the same thing. What we done is the same thing. Simply you need to change here only. Selenium, Firefox, G-code driver, Firefox driver. Same you need to change here only. Otherwise,
Sir,
practice.
once again, sir. Sir, once again, please tell me this code. What is this code?
Yeah,
Once again.
system dot set property means what? You need to tell the key and value, right? You need to tell the key. Key is nothing but webdriver dot chrome dot driver. What is the value? Now you only tell me what is the value. How you get this value? Setup, right? You are downloaded from the Chrome driver and you are giving that path. Then whenever the program will execute, right, it will check the key. What is the key? Chrome driver. Okay, it will check the Chrome driver and it will check the valid key. If it is valid key means and it will check the valid path. Your valid path and key is both are the fine, that both are is correct. Then it will be invoke the Chrome driver and it will open the URL. Driver.get means get command is nothing but to open the URL. We have a lot of commands. We'll see the next session. Okay.
Sir, why we
Similarly,
create a object? Sir, why we create object?
you can refer in the Google. Why we create the object means without the object, how you will call every time you cannot write WebDriver, 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 WebDriver. You cannot write like that, right? So you need to create some object. Your name. See, what is the why you create object means then it's a very big question. You need to check in the Google. You need to create object, right? For the references, you need to create the object. For the Chrome driver, you need to create the object, right? Every time I need not write Chrome driver, Chrome driver, Chrome driver, Chrome driver. Simply I create an object. Based on that object, I can call anything. Now you can write driver dot close, driver dot anything you can perform with this object name. Understanding, right?
Yes.
So,
Sir, for add jar file, these two lines is required. Import
yes,
org plus
yes,
selenium dot webdriver and selenium dot chrome driver. These two
yes,
lines are required or
yes,
one.
required. Yes. If you remove this one, it won't work. If you remove this one, import.org. Remove that line. Now it will throw the error. See, where is the
This one.
WebDriver? So it will ask
Sir,
the
this
reference.
this one
Can you
also.
come? No, hold on. Can you come here, WebDriver? Put a red mark, cursor. You put your cursor there.
Yes.
Cursor. No. Come to the WebDriver. Red line, right? There is a red line. Right? Hold on. Put the cursor.
Yes.
Put a cursor. Click there. No, you're not doing. So red line will come, right? Put a cursor there. Line in the cursor, right? Cursor. Move there. Click there. You are not clicking. Put a cursor. Automatically, it will ask you reference libraries. Okay. You need to write import.org.chrome.selenium.webdriver. Otherwise, it won't work. Now you can write in the top. If you put a cursor, automatically it will show. Okay. Otherwise, you can write import. That is what I'm asking previously. Yeah, you can write. See, it is asking WebDriver cannot be resolved to the type, so you can import. Can you click the first one? Yeah, that's good. So without that, we cannot create an object for the Chrome driver. Okay, guys. Thanks. Yeah, go ahead.
We are creating an object for WebDriver or a Chrome driver. Which package we are using exactly?
This one, WebDriver. So import org.selenium.webdriver. Okay, without WebDriver, I cannot create, right? And here the Chrome driver is required. Without Chrome driver, I cannot do, right? So from the WebDriver, I create an object and I'm calling this one. What is that? Chrome driver. If suppose you want to call Gcode driver means you can write the Gcode driver. If you want to call Edge driver means you can call the Edge driver. You are creating object for the Chrome driver. Understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Driver dot
check.
get.
Sir, in this program, we check Selenium website, Selenium URL. Is working or not?
Sorry?
Sir, here it is mentioned that www.selenium.dev. But in this program, we check Selenium site. Selenium site is working or not? This is our objective.
Yes.
We are not checking. We are open that.
We are launching the Chrome.
And
only. Okay.
Understand, right?
You meant to say that here the WebDriver is this is the package and Chrome driver is a class.
Yes.
So Chrome driver is inside the WebDriver package, right?
Yes. So see, you can open the selenium.web. You can search there. Okay, you can get all the information. Can you refer that selenium.dev? You have the site, right? Sai, you are only asking, right? I don't know what is guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can refer that one. Okay, you can refer what are the reference packages, what are the drivers, and each and everything will be available. Okay, you can check the documentation part, you will get it. Okay, okay, that's a good one. You can try from
Just
your
that
end.
I want to confirm which package we are using. Either we are
Yes,
using WebDriver or a Chrome driver. So
Chrome
we are
driver.
using
Chrome. Okay, can you execute from your end and check? Okay, and the similar way you can launch the Firefox also. Similar way you can launch the Edge Chrome also. Okay, what are the things? Okay, you can tomorrow will launch other browsers also. Okay, any question, guys?
Yes. Srinivas, we have to do same thing, na, to add jar files.
Yeah, same thing, guys. Same thing. You need to, without jar files, we cannot execute this one. Reference libraries is required. If reference libraries is not there, how can I write?
Yes, yes.
Sir,
That is the
every time
reason.
we have to add a jar file for every program.
Whenever you create a project, that time only you need to add the jar files. You can create number of classes here. You can create number of classes. You can create 100 classes also. Not required all the classes. You need not add the jar files. Only whenever you create a new project, for that project, what is required? Your jar files is required. Okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
this is run as Java application.
Run
Run
as a Java
as
application. Java application. Okay, click OK. Okay, guys. I hope everyone done because tomorrow.
Yes,
Okay, good, right? So, what about other guys? Are you doing parallelly? What about you?
No, sir.
You guys?
I will do after some time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
little bit parallel, but after
Uh-huh.
that I got
Okay.
forget.
Okay. Do parallelly, guys. Do parallelly. Okay. So whenever
Yeah,
you do the parallelly, right? Then you will get the see one guy is doing and our other person is observing means that won't be good. So I'm telling right, go to create a file and so you can also follow the same steps. Okay. Um, is it clear, guys? Everybody?
yes, yes,
Yes, yes.
yes.
Very easy, guys. Don't worry, don't tension. It's very easy if you
Yes,
go
sir.
with the concept level. If you go with the concept level, if you copy and the paste, your code will work, but you're in interview, your mind will not be work. Where you add now, Sai is asking, he's having a question. Tester means what? Always getting the question mark. Why we use? Why we use? Why we use? But before asking the question, check into the Google or anything. Still, you are not understand. Then you can ask directly because your colleague will be there, right? He is also some work. Every time you are pinging, hey, what is this? What is this? What is this? Means your colleague will get irritated or your manager will get irritated, but they will won't tell that in front of your face. They won't tell, hey, why are you asking so many questions? They won't ask you like that. But before asking any question, first search from your end, from what I can search. Still you're not getting, then you need to depend on others. If you still depend on others, every time you are depending on others, your brain will not be work. Always you need to depend someone. Always you need to work as a independent. In the real time, no one will help you. Seriously, I'm telling. They will tell you suggestions, but they won't write your code, right? They won't take your salary, right? So in the real time, they will say that, hey, can you create a package? Hey, can you create the project? They won't say where the jar files, where you need to download, go to the app drive, they create the folders. They won't tell fiend coding, like they won't tell like all the things. Understanding, right? So practicing level is very important. Lot of practice is required in the Selenium. Lot of practice. And if you write your own, then only errors will come. Errors which should come, because if your error will come only, then only we can tell that what type of errors you found while you're writing the script. Can you change the Chrome name as a C captain? What is Raja? What is that? What is your name? Can you change the C WebDriver key, right? Can you put a D captain? System.set property, right? Can you put a D captain there? WebDriver
system dot
driver D capital. Put a D is the capital letter. Now you can run. Control S and run. Save. First save. Okay, that's fine. Run as Java application. See, it going through the error. So don't panic. First, you need to troubleshoot. Go up, little bit go up, console. Come to down and scroll up, console. There is a red lines right down below. Scroll up, scrolling up, little bit scroll up. Can you read that line? What is that saying? Can you
Accession
read that
in
line?
thread. Yes, sir. Accession in thread main.
Hmm. Hmm.
Java.lang dot
Hmm.
illegal state accession.
Hmm. Hmm.
The path to the driver executable must be set by
Hmm.
webdriver.chrome.driver system.
Okay, see, it is saying, hey, you're writing the capital D, but you are telling here that the output is saying that the path to the driver executable must be set by. You can copy and paste it that one. It will be. So don't worry. That will if you write wrong also it will not that all the things. Hold on. Driver.chrome.driver on, or you can change the capital D as a small d. That's it. Understanding, right? So troubleshoot is very important. Troubleshoot is also, if you write anything wrong, it will clearly saying that your execution must be set by webdriver.chrome.driver. D should be small. Okay, can you
Sir,
change that one?
Sir, you told that I recognize that, but in first time, how can we know from this error D is actually corrected?
Yeah,
From
that
this
is what
error,
I'm
how
saying,
can we
right?
know?
The path to be driver executable must be set by. He's saying you need to change like this. It is saying the path to the driver executable must be set by. You need to change like this. Driver dot webdriver dot chrome dot driver.
Okay.
Understanding, right? Okay. Can you change that one? Now you can execute. See that path and this path is same, right? Webdriver dot chrome dot driver. Yeah. Can you execute? Chrome driver is successfully executed. Launching the Chrome browser. We are launching Chrome browser is successfully, and we launch the URL. Okay, and we need to check whether that URL is correct or not. Title, we need to check with the title. We'll see tomorrow, guys. One day you cannot learn all the things. Don't worry. We'll go with it. Thank you, guys. Anything else to discuss? Anybody? I hope everyone is installed the Eclipse. I hope everyone is installed Java. Uh, I'm sorry, guys. One guy is dropped the call. His thing still is there. That guy. Your call was disconnected. Okay, still you are facing the problem with the Java program, or it is working now?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's working, sir.
Only
Okay,
application.
good. Okay, good. Thank you.
Yeah.
So still, guys, make sure that you need to install everything. Then tomorrow we'll see Firefox. Tomorrow we'll see how to launch the Edge Chrome and all the things. Okay. Once you are strong in this area, then we can go to the commands. Okay. Commands is very important. There are few commands will be there. We'll see that commands.
What is your tax tomorrow? Tax. I want to launch another drive, Selenium. Here, sir, you launch Selenium WebDriver. But what is your tax tomorrow for practice?
Class, right? Okay. Tomorrow we'll see how to launch Firefox, how to launch Edge Chrome, and we'll see all the things tomorrow. Okay. Or else you won't try from your end, but don't confuse and don't panic. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow. Slowly we can learn. Okay. Try to this program twice and twice. Once you're done, right, again you can create your own, again create a project, add the jar files, try to add your own and try the things again and again 2 or 3 times. Once you are confident in that, then we can move to the next class. Okay, but don't copy and paste. Try to write import org dot. You need to write each and every write your own. Okay, guys, thank you. We are running out of the time. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. We'll see you on tomorrow. Okay. Make sure, guys, before you come tomorrow, make sure you need to install all the setups. Okay. Still you have a problem, let me know. okay, because once you jump into the next session, we cannot come to back. Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.